Good morning, students. See the 4.5 exercise first problem. Find the adjoint of each of the matrices. Find the adjoint of 4.5 exercise. Find the adjoint of 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the adjoint of 1, 2, 3, 4. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. First find the cofactors. Cofactor of A11 equal to 1, capital A11. This is equal to left the first row and first column. 1 plus 1, 2, it is even, that's why it is plus 4. Next, cofactor of A12 is capital A12. It is minus, because 1 plus 3, odd number, minus 1 plus 2. Left first row and second column, then minus 3. Next, cofactor of A21, cofactor of A21 is capital A21, cofactor of A21 equal to 3 is capital A21. A21 means first rows, second row, first column, left the first column and second row. The element is here 2 plus 1, 3, odd number, to take minus, then it is minus 2. Next, cofactor of A22 is capital A22. Cofactor of A22 is capital A22. This element left this row and column. Here 2 plus 2, 4, even number, then we'll get plus 1. Now, adjoint of A equal to first row cofactors, write down in first column, that is A11, A12, A21, A22. This is equal to 4 minus 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2. That is adjoint A. Yesterday I am given direct one shortcut formula for this. Once again you have to note down that one. A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. If A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, then adjoint A equal to A22, A11. Interchange the principal diagonal elements. And change the sign for the remaining elements. That is A12, A2 minus A21. This is equal to A22, that is 4, 1. Change the sign for the remaining two elements. That is minus 2, minus 3. It is the adjoint of A. Next, in that second problem, find the adjoint of second problem, find the adjoint of 1 minus 1 2 2 3 5 2 3 5 minus 2 0 1 1 minus 1 2 2 3 5 minus 2 0 1. Duster screen. Adjoint of first let a equal to 1 minus 1 2 2 3 5 minus 2 0 1. Cofactors of the matrix A are A11, first element A11, left this row and column, write down the determinant of remaining elements, that is 3 5 0 1. Here you have to use the symbols plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Here 3 into 1 3 minus 5 minus 0 5 into 0 0, that equal to 3 A11. Next A12 minus of left second column and first row, first row, then 2 5 minus 2 1, this is equal to minus of 2 5 to 10, that is minus 12. A13 plus left this row and column 2 3 minus 2 0 0 plus 6, that equal to 6. Next, first row is completed, take second row. A21 means minus left second row and first column minus 1 2 0 1, this is equal to minus of minus 1 into 1 minus 1, then it is plus 1. A22 plus left second row and second column, the elements are 1 2 minus 2 1, this is equal to 1 plus 4, that is 5. A22. Next A23 left second row and third column, A23 means minus will get second row and third column, the remaining elements are 1 minus 1 minus 2 0, this is equal to minus of 1 into 0 0 minus 2 into minus 1 2, here 0 minus 2 minus into minus plus. Second row is completed. Next take the third row. A31 left first column and third row. Then the remaining elements are A31 means plus, we'll get here minus 1, 2, 3, 5. This is equal to minus 1 into 5 minus 5, 3 into 2 minus 6, that is minus 11. A32 minus third row second column, left the third row and second column 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 5. This is equal to minus of 1 into 5, 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, 1, it is minus 1. Next, A33. A33 plus left third row and third column. Third row and third column. The elements are 1 minus 1, 2, 3. Then it is 3 plus 2, 5. Now adjoint A equal to A11, A12, A13. That means first row cofactors write down in first column. First row cofactors write down in first column. That is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is equal to first three elements, that is 3 minus 12, 3 minus 12, 6. Next 1, 1, 5, 2. Next minus 11, minus 1, 5. This is the adjoint of the matrix A. For the next problem, you have to prove one theorem. Note down that theorem. Write down theorem. If A is any given square matrix, if A is any given square matrix, of order n, then A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to det A into I. A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to det A into I, where I is an identity matrix where I is identity matrix of order n, of order n, where I is identity matrix of order n. Here I will prove this theorem by taking a 3 by 3 matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. Let A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now, adjoint A, adjoint A, adjoint A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Adjoint A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Now, A into adjoint A into adjoint A, that equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 into adjoint A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. It is adjoint A. Now multiply these two matrices. Already you learned matrix of the multiplication in matrices. Multiply first row by first column, first row by first column. Then this is equal to get A11, A11 capital A11 plus A12 capital A12, A13 capital A13. Next, first row, second column, first row, second column. A11 capital A21, A12 capital A22, A13 capital A23. Next, first row, third column. A11 capital A31, A12 A32, A13 A33. Next, second row, first column. Second row, first column. That is A21 capital A12, A22, A22 capital A12, A23 capital A13. Next, second row, second column. A21 capital A21, A22 capital A22, A23 capital A23. Next, second row, third column. A21 capital A31, A22 capital A32, A23 capital A33. Next, third row, first column. A31 capital A12, A32 capital A21, Okay, A31 capital, third row first column. Third row first column. A31 capital A11, A32 A12, A33 A13. Next A31 A3 A21 A32 A22 A33 A23. Next A31 capital A31 A32 capital A32 A33 capital A33. Now already yesterday I explained one concept. If take the first row elements and first row cofactors, first row element, first row cofactors, the value is equal to det A, and one row elements and corresponding to any other row cofactors, if you take, the value is 0. That means here this value is det A, this value is 0, this value is 0, here this value is 0, here this value is det A, this value is 0, here this value is 0, this value is 0, it is det A. Now from total this matrix you have to take det A is common, det A is common, then it is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is nothing but identity matrix det A into I. Therefore, A into adjoint A equal to det A into I. Similarly, we can prove. Similarly, we can prove adjoint A into det A equal to I. Adjoint A into A equal to det A into I. Therefore, A into adjoint A into A, that equal to det A into I. Note down. Here the reason is since sum of product of elements of a row in bracket or column, elements of a row or column with corresponding cofactors, with corresponding cofactors is equal to det A, is equal to det A, and otherwise 0. Otherwise 0. Okay, based on this formula, write down a third problem in the exercise. Okay, write down third problem. Verify A into adjoint A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into adjoint A into A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to det A into I. Det A into I. Verify A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to det A into I. Given A equal to 2, 3 minus 4 minus 6. 2, 3 minus 4 minus 6. Given A equal to 2, 3 minus 4 minus 6. First find the cofactors. Cofactors of A are A11, left this row and column minus 6. A12, 1 plus 2, 3. This is minus, will get left this row and column minus 4. That is plus 4. A21, it is minus, left this row and column 3, that is minus 3. A22, this row and column, the element is 2. Now adjoint A, A11, A12, A21, A22. This is equal to minus 6, 4, minus 3, 2. Minus 6, 4, minus 3, 2. It is adjoint A. Now, A into adjoint A into adjoint A, 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6, into adjoint A, minus 6, minus 3, 4, 2. Multiply these. 2 into minus 6, minus 12. 3 into 4, 12. 2 into minus 3, minus 6, plus 6. Next, minus 4 into 6, 24, minus 24. Next, 12, minus 12. The value is 0, 0, 0, 0. Next, adjoint A into A. Adjoint A into A. Here, adjoint A is minus 6, minus 3, 4, 2. Adjoint A into A. That is 2, 3, 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Then it is minus 6 into 2, minus 12, plus 12, minus 18, plus 18, 8, minus 8, 12, minus 12. This is equal to 0, 0, 0. That means A into adjoint A, both are equal. Now find det A. Det A equal to determinant of 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. It is minus 12, plus 12. The value is 0. Now, det A into I, that is 0 into 1, 0, 0, 1, identity matrix. The value is 0, 0, 0. If you multiply with 0. Therefore, A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to det A into I. A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to det A into I. Let's try down fourth problem. Verify that A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A equal to det A into I, where A equal to given A equal to A equal to 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 3 0 3 0 minus 2 1 0 3 1 0 3 1 minus 1 2 3 0 minus 2 1 0 3. Here given A equal to given A equal to 1 minus 1 2 3 0 minus 2 1 0 3. A equal to 1 minus 1 2 3 0 minus 2 3 0 minus 2 1 0 3. Cofactors of A are cofactors of A are cofactors of A are capital A11 plus left this row and column 0 minus 0, the value is 0. A12 A12 left first row and second column 3 3 is 9 plus 2 11, but A12 negative, that's why minus 11. Next A13 left first row and third column 3 into 0 0 1 into 0, the value is 0. Now A21 means minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. A21 second row first column, left the second row and first column, minus 1 into 3 minus 3, 0 into 2 0, already a minus is there, then plus 3. It is A22 left second row and second column left second row and second column 1 into 3 minus 1 into 2, 3 minus 2, that is 1. A23 left here minus will get left second row and third column 1 into 0 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1 plus 1, again here minus is there, will get minus 1. Next A31 left this row and column minus 1 into minus 2 2 minus 0, that is 2. 3 plus 1, it is a plus only. A32, A32 minus, here left the third row and second column, 1 into minus 2, minus 2, 3 into 2, minus 6, minus 8, already minus is there, plus 8. Next, A33, A33, left third row and third column, 0, 0, minus 3, minus of minus 3, plus 3. Now, adjoint A, adjoint A, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is equal to 0, minus 11, 0, 3, 1, minus 1, 2, 8, 3. It is adjoint A. Now, A into adjoint A. You have to find A into adjoint A. A into adjoint A. Here A is 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, 0, 3 into adjoint A 0, 3, 2, minus 11, 1, 8, 0, minus 1, 3. Multiply these two. A into adjoint A. Multiply this 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 1, 11, 2 into 0 plus 0. Next 1 into 3, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 1 into 2, 2, minus 8 plus 6. Next 3 into 0, 0, plus 0, plus 0. Next 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 3, 9, 0, minus 2 into minus 1, plus 2. Next 3 into 2, 6, plus 0, minus 6. Next 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 3, 3, 0, minus 3, 1 into 2, 2, plus 0, plus 9. Then it is 11, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0, 11. It is A into adjoint A. Next, adjoint A into A. Adjoint A into A. Here, adjoint A is 0, 3, 2, minus 11, 1, 8, 0, minus 1, 3. Adjoint A into A, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, 1, 0, 3. Multiply these two matrices. 0, 9, plus 2. Next 0, 0, 0. Next 0, minus 6, plus 6. Next minus 11 into 1, minus 11 plus 3 plus 8, 11 plus 0 plus 0, minus 22, minus 2 minus plus 24, next 0 minus 3 plus 3, 0 plus 0 plus 0, next 0 2 plus 9. This is also 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11. Adjoint A into A. Now det A equal to determinant of 1 minus 1 2, 3 0 minus 2 1 0 3. Expand using second column, then here 1 into left this row and column, 3 minus 2 1 3. The remaining elements it becomes 0 and 0 into the value is 0, 0 into the value is 0. I am expanding using second column. Then it is 9 plus 2, 11. Det A into I. 11 into I means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is equal to 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11. Here compare all the three. A into adjoint A is 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11. Adjoint A into A 11 0 0 0 11 0 0 0 11. Det A into I also same value. Therefore, we can write A into adjoint A equal to adjoint A into A, that equal to det A into I. Note down. For the next problem, find the inverse of each. For this, we need some definitions. Note down those definitions. What is meant by singular matrix and non-singular matrix? First one, singular matrix. Singular matrix. A square matrix A is said to be singular. A square matrix A is said to be singular, if det A equal to 0. A square matrix A is said to be singular if det A equal to 0. The determinant of the matrix is 0. For example, A equal to 1 2 3 6. A equal to 1 2 3 6. Find det A. Det A 1 2 3 6. Determinant 1 into 6 minus 3 into 2 6 0. Therefore A is a singular matrix. Singular matrix. A is singular matrix. Next, non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix. A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix. Is said to be non-singular if det A is not equal to 0. Det A is not equal to 0. A is a square matrix is said to be non-singular if det A is not equal to 0. For example, if A equal to 1 2 3 4, find det A. Determinant of 1 2 3 4, that is 4 minus 6, that equal to minus 2, not equal to 0. If the determinant of a square matrix is equal to 0, then the matrix, if a determinant of a square matrix is equal to 0, then the matrix is called singular matrix. If the determinant of a square matrix is not equal to 0, then the matrix is called non-singular matrix. Okay, students.